All right, it's Chinese kit time. We haven't had Chinese kit time in a long time. I don't know what this is, so we'll have to get it onto a tray. Nice. Oop, missed one. All right, let's see what this thing is. I have a microphone, a PC board, some stuff, some LEDs, so I guess the LEDs do something with sound. That's my guess. Only 2 transistors to make it go, so it might not be too exciting, but we will try. We will try. Now, before somebody complains about my soldering, everybody loves to complain about my soldering. Yeah, it's really easy to do things like Tektronix oscilloscope rework and stuff and make everything look perfect and use a minimal amount of solder and everything. But these damn Chinese boards, the plating's bad. The plating on these quote resistors, it's like they're like 50% steel, and it's just everything is hard, and you have to just blob on a lot of solder and hope for the best. Anyway, yeah, I can make pretty solder on pretty boards. I can't make pretty solder on expletive deleted boards. All right, so let's get going here. I guess we'll just start out putting things here. Yeah, it's kind of warm today, so it might be good just to calm down and do something in the garage. Last night I was having a conversation with ImsaiDog, and I had used the dog days of summer, the dog days of summer. Have you heard of that? Well, ImsaiDog hadn't heard of it, and it perked up when he heard dog. So he says, oh yeah, the dog days of summer. And I says, yeah, when it's real hot, people go to the beach and stuff, you know, and anyway, let me move over here. He seemed to think that was a good idea. Said something, I don't know. He said something about leaving today, maybe maybe calling an Uber or something, going to the beach. I don't know. I don't know. He's kind of a crazy dog. Right. What's next to come? Let's see. How about we have one 904 and another 9014. So both transistors are exactly the same. I'm not exactly familiar with a 9014, but I'm sure it's a fine transistor. I've been home in the mornings. I usually go to the senior center in the mornings because the senior center has pool tables. I play my friend pool. And it's been closed this week for whatever reason. The city doesn't have money, or they make up an excuse to clean it or something. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. See, this solder just balls up on these PC boards. You just can't make it pretty on these boards. Give me a nice HP board or Tektronix board. I'll make it look pretty for you. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, we had to, yesterday we met up at a real pool hall, and I flopped a little too much solder over there. And we've been, geez. Board's not cooperating. There we go. We've been playing a game called Saratoga. So raise your hand if you know how to play Saratoga. Yeah, see, these boards just don't hold the solder well. Anyway, yeah, you play it with 13 balls, and It's half 9-ball, half 8-ball. It's like 8-ball playing in rotation. It's a weird game. I got interested in it because I saw Efren play it. And I thought, oh, looks interesting. Give that a try. I hear it's a gambler's game, so. Although it has been in tournaments, it has been in a tournament in the Midwest, so. The big names do play it, I guess. I watched Shane and Johnny Archer play it. And I think Rodney was playing. I don't know. Some of the big names you might follow if you're into pool. All right, let's see here. What else do we want to put on? How about a connector? How about? Right. I can't hold it on there. Get out my magic magic goo here. Hold it in place while I solder it down. Blue tack. I think the dog days of summer have died down, though. I think it's going to get cooler as the summer progresses. All right, now I've got these resistors that I have no idea what their value is because color codes are not the same as they used to be. I think somebody changed it. Okay, this one looks like a 1 meg. And this one looks like a 10K. And this one looks like a 4.7K. All right. And we'll put them in order. Lower first. Yeah, see 4.7. Yeah, it looks nothing like it. Looks nothing like it. You have to squint and use your imagination. You close your eyes and think very, very hard. Maybe you can imagine it then. All right. So it has 5 LEDs. Do you think the 5 LEDs do something different, or do you think they do it all at the same time in synchronicity? I don't know. We shall find out. We shall find out. My washing machine that you often hear in the background is off right now, which is nice. But yesterday it was on. And yesterday it threw a code. It said F2, F2, danger, Will Robinson. So the panel on the front of the machine had to come off, and there is a removable trap inside. And in the trap I found 95 cents. Yes, indeed, 95 cents. So it paid for its own fixing. That was nice. I told my wife I'm keeping the money. I'm doing the fixing. I keep the money. Look at the plating on these. Look at, can you see that? The plating on these, they look like they're from 1980, these transistors. Their plating is quite tarnished on them, so. Again, you think they'll be easy to solder? We shall see. We shall see. Oh, these are all in parallel. At least these are. And I'm going to make one side stick. And then I'm going to push from the back side, make sure they're flush. And then I'm going to do the other side. Another reason to do not so precise soldering is because after this video, it's going to go into the trash can. So, time is money. Time is money. If you think it's worth your time to make it stellar and pristine, that's what you can do. But I don't value it very much. In fact, I have very little respect for this circuit. Yes. Very little respect. No respect. R-E-S-P-C-T. I think these could possibly be a different circuit, or maybe the same. Oh, yeah, see, this is not sticking to this. Lovely plating on these ancient T1 3/4 LEDs. Oops. Yeah, see, the solder's not even cooling correctly. Like there's no heat uptake on those big leads. All right. Anyway, I don't know where that terminology came from. T1 3/4. The T1 LEDs are the 3mm jobbers. Oh crap! I just bridged that solder again. That's what you get. That's what you get. All right, let's see if we can't get these. Nice, there we go. Are you imagining what this is going to look like and how amazed you're going to be? Maybe you can send this video to all your friends because it's going to be so amazing. Could be. It could happen. Remember Judy Tenuta? It could happen. All right. Whoa. Got attacked by some plastic fiber optics. That's okay. What do you think? What voltage would this run at? What do you think? What voltage would it be running at? Does it say? The PC board does not say what voltage. But I'm gonna guess. Let's do 9 volts. I think it's a 9-volt day. Let's do that. Let's set channel 2 here to 9 volts. Okay. Just a nice number. Reminds me of a battery. All right. All right. Let's get this all framed real pretty here for the big exciting finale. Yes, big exciting finale. All right. All right, here we go. Power on. Hello. Oh, look at that. Hello. They're all at the same time. They're all on at the same time. All right. I highly encourage everybody to go out and buy one of these, build it, and then throw it in the trash can.